In this video, I'm going to talk about how I progressed this past month, 2020 May, and this is in regards to my stock portfolio. So with that said, let's get it. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is MJ, and in this channel we talk about finance, personal investing, and the stock market. So if you guys like these kind of topics, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get the latest video. In this video, we're just going to talk about the progress and perhaps a little bit of mistakes that I did in the past month, and we're going to screen some of the stocks that I've had, predominantly the ones that I talked about in my previous video, which I'm gonna link in my description below, and also right here in this suggestion tab. I gotta put the disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, and do your own research. Noble energy sector has been doing great. So it's basically just a seesaw between them and also gold, and also the tech sector. So it's been strong so far. 53%. UCO, I don't know if I talked about it in a previous video, but I believe now it's time to buy oil. It's going to rally due to the opening of the states, which is great. And recently, the reason why there's a exclamation mark there, because of I acquired 30 more shares today, and it's just doing great. So it's going to rally up, I believe. CVE. So CVE has been a hot stock for me. 25% up, 90 shares. I think I recently bought in a couple weeks ago 30 more shares, so that's probably why it's 25% right now. It's probably 50 something a couple weeks ago. So I'm bullish on it. Chevron is something that should come up strong. Although the price is $92, I only have 6 shares of it because it's too expensive for the value. I'd rather put it on UCO, like I mentioned earlier. So Exxon Mobil is -4% right now. Perhaps now would be a good time to take advantage of this sale. Would I buy more? Maybe just a few more. It's $44, and it's more affordable than Chevron. UPS. So UPS is something that I'm thinking about letting go. I know that if there's a time for logistics, it would be now, but I just don't see the gains to be worth it. If anything, they've done the most that they can in their business during the quarantine, because shipping of medical supplies and things like that. But now, if it's anything, it's gonna mellow down as far as UPS logistics and schematics. I'm not too sure, but I just have a feeling that I'd rather put it on oil or on maybe pharmaceutical, just to get the gains. And on top of that, I also bought some pharmaceuticals, which is INO. I was up 55%. Yeah, about 40%, 50%. I was about 50% up, and I bought in a few more INO, and I think that would cap me, so I'm up 12% at this time. And that's it from me, guys. If you guys think that you picked out a few tips from this video that would help someone, or maybe even you, to progress your stock market investing, please don't forget to share this video to someone else. And if you guys haven't yet, please tap the like button. The boss knows, my boss YouTube knows that I'm working. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can get the next video, the latest video, as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers.